performance faster, or you can boost your laptop performance faster. Just type %temp in search, and you will be seeing a temp folder automatically, and click on the temp. Once you are clicking on the temp, then you will be seeing the file. This is the path you can find. This is the PC, this is the C drive, user, Dell, mdata, local, and temp. Basically, it will be in local and temp. This is a temp folder. So what you have to do, you have to control A. Control A means you are selecting all the files at a time. So what is happening here? All the files are storing in the RAM memory. Once you are removing, then automatically your RAM will be the data which are stored, it will be released and your laptop performance will be improved. You can do now shift delete, then total 285 items will be deleted. Yes. And you will wait to delete all the files, and after that you can close these windows and you can see your laptop performance improved. Thanks for watching.